we are going to that what is the fixed and variable speed. That is the main important thing in wind energy system. See here, wind energy system. So I told already, if you are connecting with, so fixed means here fixed speed wind turbine. So basically fixed speed wind turbines is this is the particular of fixed wind turbines. This is wind turbine. It is connected to gearbox, right? It is connected with gearbox, right? So after then we are connected generators, right? So generator means I told already some types of generators is there. That is the generator type means PMSG, DFIG, and SCIG and WRIG. These are the difference between the generator types. If you are using generator here, if you are connecting with directly grid, this is connected with help of transformers. Is the transformer we are connected to grid, right? So if you are connecting here grid also and some types of load also we have to connect here. That is 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt loads you have to connect here. So in these systems we are calculating power is flowing like this. That is either active power or reactive power. The flowing like this. This generator it will be connected, that is the stator side only. Stator current or stator voltage. So these types of generator we are using some here. For example, here not connected any power electronics converter. Here not connected PEC here, right? So PEC not connected means PEC not connected means this is the fixed wind turbines, right? Whatever the wind speed it will become, that is the fixed. So it will be sorry, here it is variable wind speed, not fixed. This is variable speed. Here also variable, and it will be generate will be convert mechanical energy to electrical energy, right? And it will be flow of current between this direction only. The current and voltage flow of direction here we are using the transformers. This transformer either step up or step down transformers. After then we have to connect it to the grid. So in this grid we have to distribute the power. So in these situations we have to control pitch control as well as the stall control and active and reactive power and voltage and frequency, right? This is the fixed wind turbine, right? This is the fixed wind turbine system. If you are connecting with gearbox, gearbox is rotate the whatever the speed depending on the speed, wind speed. Here depending on the wind speed. How much wind speed here? Because it is 10 meter per second, either 15 meter per second, either 20 meter per second, depending on the wind turbine. So this is the fixed wind turbine. If we are going for so see here, we are going for variable wind speed. Variable speed wind turbine. So variable speed wind turbine means again we have connected the wind speed wind. This is the wind turbines connected with gearbox 6 GB, and again we are connecting some generators here, and again we are connecting here some power electronics converters here. It is AC to DC with help of DC link capacitor, and again we are connecting the another converter, that is the DC to AC converter, and we are connected transformers here, and grid, right? This is the variable speed of wind turbines. So this is already we know. This is wind turbine and this is gearbox. This is gearbox, right? And this is generator. Here we are using DFIGR, PMSGR, whatever the generators we have to use here, some types of generator there. In this section, we are connecting power electronics converters here, right? This is the PEC, power electronics converters. Power electronics converters means what will happen? This is RSC and this is GSC, and this one is the DC link voltage. DC links means it will be between either AC to DC rectifier or inverter in this between, right? So RSC means rotor side converter, and GSC means grid side converter. So this is the so we have here, if we are using power electronics converters here, means we have to control the power of flowing this direction only. The power flowing, whatever the active and reactive power, same direction, in this direction. But here we are inverting that is AC to DC means DC power here. After then DC power, it will be regulate the DC link. After then we are again connecting DC to AC converter. Means here variable speed right? Means see here, our wind speed is not constant. Wind speed not constant, as well as the frequency also not constant. So our wind speed is depending on the 15 meter per second or 20 meter per second or 25 meter per second or 10 meter per second. But grid will not take variable speed. Variable speed. It will be take only constant speed. Constant speed. Because of we are using wind turbine means it will be rotating the turbines. It will be rotate the turbines. Means what will happen if your air is very high condition, the turbines is rotating very fastly. So we can't control voltage, whatever the power we are generating here, that power we can't control. So it will be around what is called, so it will be around whatever the very fast, means if you are generating for 1 megawatt, so it will be depending on the air only, right? It will be not controllable. So because we are using the gearbox, some fixed constant, some fixed to we have to rotate the wind turbine here, right? So see in these situations, if you are connecting with gearbox, this is with help of wind turbine, it will be rotating, right? And here also some two axis will be there. If you are going using the wind turbine and power electronics converter, here some DQ axis, direct and quadrature axis, right? So these two we have to apply here. This is the in these conditions. So see here. So in these conditions, we have to not required to control the pitch and stall control, right? And we have to control only active and reactive power as well as the voltage and frequency, right? So in these sections, we have not required gearbox also. Because of this generator is directly connected with grid. But here we are using power electronics converter. So we have to this power, whatever the power we have generating here, that is variable power, and it will be convert constant power. DC to AC means variable DC to constant AC. Here variable AC to variable DC, right? So this is the concept of difference between fixed wind turbine and variable wind turbine. If you have any doubt, please ask me here.
సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఒకవేళ ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. అలాగే మరిన్ని ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.